I'm the founder of Splish Splash Handmade Products. I'm excited to share my brand with you today. I've created a product line that is products are made in small batches, it's handmade. I pick natural ingredients, wholesome products that are great for your skin. I wouldn't use products on my skin if it wouldn't be good for others. So it's really something I really enjoy doing. It's creative, it's creating self-care, give you an opportunity to have your hammam spa experience in the comfort of your home. I think that everybody lives like very stressful life, lots of responsibilities. We can feel overwhelmed, and you know, your day-to-day stress does accumulate. So by using the products, you'll be able to create a self-care routine, a home spa experience. I myself have my own routine, which I do every day, which includes bath Dead Sea coarse salt with essential oil of lavender, with a candle, and I put piano music in the background when I'm taking my bath. So that 30-minute a day for me, it's the most important part of my self-care routine. I need to have it every day. It just helps me to relax and have a better sleep. And I wanted to create something that brings joy and happiness and relaxation to everybody. I do believe in wellness and mental wellness and physical wellness. And having that opportunity to create that hammam spa home experience, it's something that I'm really excited about to bring and share with you. And I hope that you will love the product as much as we do. Thank you.